Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for you Virgos. The Tower has flipped. You have the Tower, the Hermit, the Seven of Swords, Seven of Wands, the Four of Wands, and the Sun. Okay. The Six of Wands, the World, and the Judgment. Okay. So Virgos, we have the Tower, the Hermit, and the Seven of Swords. So there is someone in your life, there has been somebody in your life who was trying to get away with things, trying to there was some sort of a deceit or cheating going on, which came as a shock for you. Okay, it wasn't easy for you to digest it, it wasn't easy for you to take it, but yes, there was some sort of deceit going on in your life, and now you are just trying to fix it. It definitely was really tough on your part to take it and realize, okay, yes, this is the truth. It was totally a shake up as far as your beliefs were concerned, but then yes, you know that this is the right news, you know this is what was actually happening. Okay, so now you are just trying to figure it out as to how you can come out of it, how you can deal with this situation, how you can. So you are, I think, totally withdrawn. Okay, you're just trying to figure out as to how to come out of this situation, which was really not easy. It's not an easy situation, and you really don't know how to deal with it. You are just trying to figure it out. Then we have the Seven of Wands, the Four of Wands, and the Sun. And what I feel here is, whatever the ways and means you are thinking, by taking a step back, you are not making an impulsive move. You are not acting in haste. You are just retreated, just trying to figure out as to what is the right way to deal with this situation. How can I fix it? How can I correct it? And how I can move about this situation. And the way you do it is really beautiful. We have the Seven of Wands, the Four of Wands, and the Sun. So definitely it's tough for you to pave the path towards happiness, but you are doing it. It's been a huge struggle. You are struggling. You have faced the resistance. You have faced the struggle. It wasn't tough. It was a rough path. But then ultimately with the Four of Wands and the Sun, you have reached that level when you have achieved that happiness which you really want to. You have dealt with whatever this energy was of deceit or lying, cheating, or somebody trying to get away with things, somebody hiding things from you, whatever it was, in whatever shape or form. You have dealt with the situation beautifully, and you have achieved stability and ultimate happiness in your life. You are victorious. People are really looking up to you. You are feeling good about yourself. You are victorious, and things have started changing. It's a new world for you. You have really come out of it big time. So with the World and the Judgment being there, there is something here which is, it's some decision which needs to be made over here regarding the past. It's something, maybe it is something which is coming up from the past. Okay, the situation perhaps is coming up from the past, which also needs to be addressed. That's what I feel. So you have done this in a beautiful way. Everything is fine, but there is maybe this chapter is over now. There is something which is calling your attention, and this is something related to the past, Virgos. You need to address the past. You need to fix it. You need to amend it. You need to do. It's like there is something which has been left unaddressed from the past, and it is now again in your life. It's now the time. You really need to address this situation right now. Now you have to take a decision. It's something related to the past. It's coming up in your life once again. So though you are over with it, it's not necessarily the same situation, but there is something here which is calling your attention and calling your decision, and it is something related to the past. It needs to be addressed, Virgos. And it's something which is, it's not something which can be now pushed under the rug or you can ignore it. With the Four of Diamonds being there, it is like you're admiring someone from behind, looking secretly or viewing somebody from behind, something of that sort. Maybe this is the energy that somebody was doing, or maybe you saw somebody doing that. Guidance from the angels. Helper of thought. Your life is about to start moving very fast. Events that seem to be on hold suddenly require all your attention. There is no time to sit and ponder. That's what I'm saying. There is something which needs to be addressed. You've got to get moving. Review the details as best as you can. You know you will meet, or you are someone with a very quick mind who instantly grasps what to do. This person is both confident and courageous. So you have achieved the balance, you have dealt with whatever the situation was in the past, but still there is something which needs to be addressed. It can be the same thing or it can be something different, but there is something which needs to be addressed right now. You have to take a decision, Virgos. So that's all I have for you, Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.